Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Success. I'm a mom of two. In today's video, I'll be doing what my kids eat in a day. Yeah guys, I will be doing what my kids eat in a day, and this is their breakfast. I'm preparing oat milk for them with banana and a nut for them also. So I could not peel it, so after I cook it later, I will peel the back from it, so I have to add water to cook it first. Later I will be adding my milk. So this is what I do feed them in the morning with, or sometimes I will just prepare egg for them, egg and bread, but this is the one I'm making this morning for them while they are still sleeping. So please guys, if you have not subscribed to my growing YouTube channel, please subscribe to my growing YouTube channel and support the channel by liking and leaving comments in the comment section. Please turn on your notification bell in case if I upload any video, you will be the first to see it. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for keep watching my videos, and God bless you. For my old subscribers that has also come back to also view my videos, thank you so much. In morning, baba, oh baba, 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 baba. I thought you were crying. You're laughing now. How are you? What was your name? Did you enjoy your mouth? Hmm? How are you? That was your name, Papa. Why are you crying? Hungry? Are you hungry? No, no. Show your Tony Samu. Wakey, wakey.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not. I think it's hard how we always wait another day, how we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were bold to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay with you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up.
So guys, I'm going to brush their teeth this morning. So once they wake up, that is what I always do, brush their teeth. Sometimes I leave the brush for them to also clean their teeth by themselves after I've brushed it myself, so that they'll still be learning how to do that also. So I always teach them once they wake up in the morning, the next thing is to brush their teeth before any other thing. So after I brush their teeth, then I'll be changing their clothes, changing their pampers, making them clean. And sometimes I bath them in the morning and in the evening, but if the weather is bad, I always bath them in the evening so that they can have a good night's sleep also. So please keep watching guys.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not. I think it's hard how we always wait another day, how we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we
So guys, I always feed my boys with this their cereal, their oatmeal, because they cannot eat it by themselves. If not, everything will be on the floor, in their hair. So this is their lunch, guys. I'm feeding them with pasta, egg, and orange. So this is what I'm feeding them with in their lunch. So yeah, guys, my older son, he don't like to eat by himself too much. He always need mommy's help. But my baby, yeah, that one eats by himself a lot. He's really doing his best because he don't want me to feed him all the time. He just wants to do it by himself, so I'll just leave him to do it. I don't want to. You can see, guys, my baby is done with his food. I noticed it was not too full, so I decided to feed him also with his brother's own. So I also feed his brother because he's just playing with the food, talking. He don't want to eat, but he also wants to take from his brother food. Oh, children. So I'm giving them the orange juice that I squeeze out from the orange to digest their food for them also. Guys, after they finish their food, my little boy, he don't play with his milk. So he always cry for his milk, even if he eat everything in this house. So he always need his milk. So I will give him his milk. Then he's done. He just stand up by himself and start playing. We don't have problem for this milk time. No crying, just playing. So the next one I'll be giving his brother is milk with chocolate. So he also love it also. So after this, we'll be taking them out. So we went out to buy some stuff. Then I'll be giving them yogurt. The yogurt is mixed with banana and strawberry. Yeah, it's mixed with banana and strawberry. So we are outside and we allow them to play a bit. Once they are done, they'll just play and receive the fresh air before we go back home for our dinner, guys. So please subscribe to my growing YouTube channel if you have not subscribed, and if you love this video, please give this video a thumbs up. You also help my YouTube channel to grow. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Yeah, my husband is playing with them in the park. From here we'll go home. Guys, this is their dinner. Yeah, I'm feeding them with a potato fufu and draw soup or bono soup. So this is what I'm feeding them with. Wow, guys, my kids love swallow. They love fufu a lot. They eat a lot of it. They can even eat it in the morning, in the afternoon, even in the evening. They love eating fufu. And I also try it with other soup, but this is what I'm giving them with ogbono soup. Once they eat it with ogbono soup, they eat it much more better. They are much more full. But after these guys, we also feed them with their milk once they take their shower before they sleep. I will be also feeding them with their milk. So guys, please subscribe to this YouTube if you have not and you are still watching the video till this time. Please guys, subscribe to this growing YouTube channel and support the channel. You will love this channel. You will love the people in this channel. You will love us because we are funny. We have so many things for you to enjoy, to entertain you with also. Thank you, guys. At this point, guys, they are full already. They don't want to eat anymore. So I will be the one eating the remaining one once they finish this one. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and bye. See you in my next